Hi, this is Nancy, and I want to show you what I made last night. So I got to take some slime kits home from Elmer's last night, and this is what I made. I want to show you really quickly, while I'm telling you about some of the products, how it is done. So first you take the glue. I still can't even fathom for even a moment how Elmer's and kids came up with this whole idea. So this is Elmer's clear school glue. But the thing that makes it really special is that Elmer's now has what they call the magical liquid. When this whole trend started, kids were taking borax and contact solution and they were mixing it with glue and then other things. So here I'm going to use 1 or 2 of Elmer's glitter glue tubes. Now all the ones that I'm using now come from the Elmer's Frosty slime kit. It has 2 of each of the glue bottles and the magical liquid bottles and lots of glitter. So with the Elmer's, along with the Elmer's and this whole trend on slime that is just a little bit crazy, are many books. We've got some really cool books showing you all these different recipes that you can make of slime. Some of them are extremely ingenious. They've got some that make it into something that's magnetic in their science books. And so just some really fun stuff. Now, Elmer's has a huge series of things for this trend that really just go along with their interesting glues that they've already had. So some colored glues and glitter glues and lots of fun stuff. And so I've got to take and mix this for a while. And after a while, it starts to get a little bit stiffer and it starts to hold together. You can see it becoming something in this bowl. And then you decide to pick it up. All right. When you pick it up, it is truly the ooeyest, gooeyest thing you've ever held. So as I'm doing this, because I have to play with this for a while I'm playing with this, I want you to watch a video that our friend Brody made. He is an expert in slime.
Today I'm going to use the slime starter kit, and I'm going to use the glow-in-the-dark glue instead of the clear glue. First you take off the top from the glue and you pour all the glue inside the bowl. Then you take the color, put all the color inside it. Now you take the magical liquid and you pour all of it into the bin. Then you take a spoon and mix it all up. You mix and you mix. You knead it and you knead it until it gets hard, until it gets harder. And now we get to play with it.
So didn't Brody do a great job? And here is my slime concoction from the Elmer's Frosty slime kit. Now I gotta tell you, this was kind of interesting for me. I'd never made slime before, but it is such a huge trend with kids. It's been going on for a couple of years now. I want you to consider taking a look at Elmer's website. They have a wonderful slime challenge, but what I think would be really cool is you in your store having your own slime challenge. So check out all of the Elmer's slime kits at the Notions Marketing website.